Hey guys, this is Lucky Kumar here. Today we will write a program in C++ to read a number and check it is even or odd. So, how we will write this program? We will use here if else statement structure. Then we can write this program easily. So, firstly, you will have to write hatch include IOStream using namespace space std. After this, you will have to write int man. You can take void main 2 int man, and after I will have to take int number variable. I will have to take. After this, I will write program scene number, and I will have to write this. And after this, I will have to use if statement. If number equal to number divide to and then equal to 0. After this, I will have to write if condition. I have given a condition number divide to equal to 0, then message will show up. That means COUT will show up even, or you can say else COUT message will show up odd. That's it. My program is ready. Now I will run. I will click F10. Source file, yes. I will save even odd. Save it. Now I will check my program. It is running right now. I will have to write 2 and place enter even number. But now again I will also write, and I will write 1, and I will check it is a odd number. If F10 3, it is a odd number. So it was you can say, by the help of this program you can make. Look here, one odd number. Odd number. So it was a program. By the help of if else statement structure, you can make this program. If you are watching my video, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, so please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.